They say once a cheater, always a cheater, and when you've been betrayed, it feels like the only explanation that makes sense. If they did it once, how could you ever trust them not to do it again? But here's the truth. Not every person who cheats is destined to repeat that behavior forever. Infidelity is a choice, a harmful, devastating choice. But choices can change. Some people use betrayal as a wake-up call. They confront their broken patterns, dig into the deeper issues driving their behavior, and commit to becoming different. They take accountability, seek therapy, and work consistently to rebuild what they destroyed. Others don't. Some minimize, deny, or repeat the cycle. And that's where this myth can become dangerous. If you assume everyone who cheats will do it again, you may feel trapped in fear. But if you assume no one will, you risk ignoring red flags. The reality lies in the middle. It's about their actions, not their words. Change isn't proven in promises. It's proven in honesty, consistency, and accountability over time. So no, not every cheater is always a cheater, but the only way to know is to watch what they do after the betrayal and whether their actions align with real growth.